So my name is Dave Archer, and I'm a principal scientist here at Galois, and I conduct research for a lot of people, the government included, on a variety of topics. We focus a lot on cryptography and advanced cryptography. Crypto to me has always been sort of emblematic of keeping data private and keeping it authentic, right? The notion that you ought to have information you can keep to yourself, and you ought to be able to be sure that it's genuine, is sort of fundamental to the way I think about the world, right? Information should be ours if it's ours and nobody else's. Information should always be verifiable. Crypto provides those things. I can take a piece of data and encrypt it, but instead of having to give someone a specific key to decrypt it with, I can say, in advance, I've given you a key, and attached to that key are attributes, things I say about you, right? Rights you have or something like that. And then when I encrypt this data later, I can say, well, anybody who has this privilege and this privilege and this privilege all together, but maybe not that one, that's the people who can decrypt this. So I can encrypt a thing once, send it to many people, knowing that only a few of them, the right few, can decrypt it. So that's also non-intuitive. How does that work? It's a really interesting mathematical construction, one that's practical, that we can actually deploy, but something that is just, you think about it and you think, that can't be possible. But yet we do it, and that's the cool thing about working on these technologies. Yeah, coming to Galois was an interesting choice because I had considered academia. I had considered going into the research professor kind of work. I enjoyed teaching, it was a lot of fun. But what it doesn't offer is the application, right, of the result. It focuses there on write the papers, develop some fundamental work, which is interesting, but to me, it's always been, for me, a matter of how do I solve problems? Right? And Galois is a place where we solve problems, but in a principled way, not just the cheapest thing we can do, but in a principled way. So it has the hallmarks of research, but it also has the hallmarks of solving real problems in the real world, which has always been a passion for me.